I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the MargareteMiller Collage Challenge, and our prompts for this week are lined paper, a childhood toy, I've got this robot, something torn, I torn the paper, fire or smoke, I have got this candle, a section of a magazine advertisement, and so I've got that. And the bonus is date, and we have got a date on both of these, and that's just an extra thrown in. So I hope everybody is doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, we are on week 33, and it is hard to believe we have only 19 more of these to do, if you can believe it. I don't know where the time has gone. All right, so I am going to put this down as background. It has been so hot, it is getting up in the triple digits. My poor husband is cutting grass right now. Told him not to get too hot. So you may hear the lawnmower. Okay, let's see here. This is from an old vintage magazine. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down. Just get that. It's just been so hot. We have gotten a little bit of rain, which is nice, especially at the time of the rain, but it just, here in Mississippi, when it rains, even though it feels good while it's raining, the humidity goes out of this world. Okay, we got that. I'm gonna put that down. This came from one of my cut and collage books. I guess a toy robot's not such a big deal now, since we've got all of the AI, and robots are more of a thing now. But boy, when I was a kid, back in my day. Okay, let me find my little towel. This tore off of a towel, so it makes perfect for, I have to keep using so many paper towels. And we have got our candle. And this came from another autumn cut and collage book. And the date. So let's see where we want to. Let's see here. I already inked everything. So I'm going to put this down. And this. Okay. And now it's time to embellish. Oops. I'm gonna go around this. pop from the background. Okay. I cannot see. It's the oddest thing. I can't see anything far off with my glasses off. With my glasses on, I just cannot see up close. I really need to have my eyes checked. But everything is so expensive, and the insurance we had, or used to be much better than it is now. I tell you, the employers do not care about their employees anymore, that's for sure. Because used to not have to, very few medicines we used to have to pay for. And now it's a copay on everything, and it doesn't cover as much. So I just don't go to the doctor. And I just took myself off of my medicines. I know most of my problems are from my weight anyway. If I could just get myself to eating and healthier and getting more active, it would go a long way with me. Sometimes I feel like I have just gotten where I don't trust doctors, especially after the COVID thing. If they help me in one thing, it always harms me in something else, so I just figure I'll take the cheaper route. Okay. Like that. There we go. Now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm tempted to do the black splatters, but I think I'm gonna go with my gold. At least coppery. I got her right in the nose, didn't I? She looks like a clown. Here we go, that looks better. Okay, so we have our lined paper, our childhood toy, something torn, fire smoke, section of a magazine, advertisement or advertisement. Bonus is date, and there's a date right there and right there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026CWP33. So y'all take care. I love you. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.